Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Revi, and this is my reflection video of from what I understand about Brown and Clark's thematic analysis book and doing interview. So the first question is, what do I find most valuable about Brown and Clark's thematic analysis? What I found most valuable is the practical framework of thematic analysis, because, in my opinion, as a amateur researcher, by doing thematic analysis, it can make it easier for me to make data for more focused and practical. And the second question is, one insight that I gained from Kavala about the nature of interviewing. So, what I understand that Kavala is emphasizes that interviews are like a craft. This is a something or a skill that one person must be learned by doing. So it shaped by experience. But however, the key of an interview is the interviewer itself. And as an interviewer, we will gonna determine what the result will be, starting from how we determine the objective and how we elaborate it, such as how we choose questions, and most importantly, how we interact with the participants or with the interviewee. And the third question is, how do I see both of this concept connecting in my own potential research project? So, for my own research project, I am interested in exploring Cavali's interview principles, because my project is more about exploring experiences and point of views. So, Cavalli interview principle are the best ideal basis for this. However, I still need Brown's theoretical framework for systematic data analysis. And the last question is that the challenges that I anticipate when applying these frameworks. So, for applying Cavalli's interview principle in real world is the most challenging for me, because uh, the principle itself is about how do we determine the meaning of an interview and find that meaning through interaction with other people. That being case, I must have a proper communication skill that are in line with these principles, which is the most difficult. But as Kavala implies in the book, interviewing is a skill that must be earned through experience. And meanwhile, the most challenging aspect of thematic analysis theory is when I sorting data based on patterns and themes, because abstract data, for example, like interview, can often be interpreted in more than one theme. So that's all my reflection. Thank you very much.